He is not insane. He was talked into it by all of you people.
An explosive situation outside of Wabash Valley Courthouse after opposing sides of a murder case nearly come to blows.
The woman you just saw was the sister of 53-year-old Kathie Payton, the victim in last week's Paris, Illinois homicide. She's also the aunt of the defendant, 16-year-old Terry Payton.
Both aunt and nephew spoke publicly for the first time today. As News 10's Dan Klein reports, the situation quickly turned ugly.
People streaming from an Edgar County courtroom by the dozen Thursday morning, most coming in support of the 16-year-old defendant in the murder trial, Terry Payton, not the victim, his mother Kathie. His first words publicly spoken outside.
Thank you all for your continued support.
That support is what has his aunt so upset.
My sister is a victim, and for these people to say that somehow murder is justified, I'm here to represent my family and to represent this.
A smiling picture of Kathie and Terry in Kathie's Bible, but moments later...
He is the best kid.
Oh, he's a good kid, all right. He just slaughtered my sister. Get away from me.
Burno believes violent video games and encouragement from friends led to her sister's murder. But for the crowd gathered, they believe it was child abuse.
Why did you never help him when you deal with
I did help him. I should have helped my sister.
Terry's half-sister pulled back by a friend.
You know what? His freaking...
Don't you touch me, ma'am, or you'll be sitting in jail.
Comments further infuriating the crowd.
I love my nephew. Until he has remorse, he's not insane. He knew exactly what he's doing.
Before sheriff's deputies can break it up, there even appears to be a threat on Burno's life.
Go home, nobody even knows.
I'll be back. I will be back.
In the same exact thing.
With final parting words,
There will be justice for my sister. Do you got it?
Burno has spent the last few days cleaning up the duplex.
She had "I love you" posted in every room of her house with a little smiley face.
But others have a different story, believing Terry acted in self-defense.
He just tried to protect himself because she's crazy. His mom is absolutely crazy. I don't have a good word to say about her. Sorry. Inside court, Terry's public defender made 2 motions on his behalf, both involving a court-appointed psychiatrist. The first to see if Terry would be found not guilty by reason of insanity. The second to see if he's fit to stand trial because of an alleged social disorder. But outside the courtroom, proceedings bear no resemblance to law and order.
What's going on here is madness and it's insanity. And this has to stop. My sister deserves, he's the one on trial, not my sister.
Terry Payton is due back in court Tuesday afternoon, where the state attorney and the public defender will argue the motions before the judge. Mark, Patrice.
Terry Payton supporters had a special fundraising meeting after court. We will have more on that tonight at 11, 10 Central.